AMT, innovating, educating, changing lives. Hello and welcome to AMT's educational video series. Today we will show you how to correctly use the AMT clamp with an AMT feed set. Unexpected separation between your administration set and your feed set can lead to a mess and, more importantly, a loss of nutrition and medication. The AMT clamp is designed to secure your administration set and feed set to eliminate this potential concern. What you are going to need: an AMT clamp, an AMT feed set, and administrative set of your choosing. Step 1. Make sure the stepped adapter and the feeding set are connected securely per original manufacturer's direction. Step 2. Place the small bottom ring of the AMT clamp around the base of the feeding set. Step 3. Secure the wrap strap around the AMT clamp. Step 4. Stretch the device so that the large top ring is above the stepped adapter and slide the top ring around the tubing. Step 5. Secure the wrap strap around the AMT clamp. Step 6. Ensure your feed set connection and AMT clamp is not bent and all parts appear to be in their proper places before you begin enteral feeding. Thank you for watching.